This video is so urgent and I need you to take action immediately. If you are on Onchain game, you need to do this so that you know you're going to receive your distribution. They actually finished the pre-sale and they extended the mining, or the tapping on Telegram was supposed to end on the 31st of May, but they extended it, and this is the information. Okay, this is the announcement. They're going to extend the tapping to June. Okay, distribution was supposed to take place today, being the 1st of June, but they have extended the tapping to 14th June, right? And airdrop for chain game plays will take place on June 15th on the Onchain L3. So what you need to do now is, if you have not linked your OKX wallet or your Trust wallet to the Onchain, please do so. I'm going to show you that, of course, I've done mine already, and I believe I've guided some persons. So I'm just going to add a guide video on that for you to watch, so that we'll finish up that one before we head over to our OKX to add the token, and then we'll continue. So this is how you go about connecting your on-chain account to your OKX Web3 wallet. Okay, for those that want to participate, those that signed up, those that are on this program. So you just click on that OKX, and then it will lead you directly to your OKX Web3 wallet. Okay, and then you see it will load up. It can take some time, and the on-chain will appear like this. Is preparing, and you just have to wait a little bit more, and then you see connect. You click on connect, and then you see success is being connected. So you can click on return to the game. Okay, when you click on return to the game, it will definitely take you back to the game where you continue the process. Okay, now on-chain promises to pay, and let's see how it goes. Right now, back to the game, and it will load up. It may take some time. Then after that, you see this ticked as completed. Okay, you see this ticked as completed, verified, complete. I just showed you for OKX. Okay, though I didn't do proper recording, but then it was really in a stepwise manner, and I believe you really understood it. Okay, I did the same for Trust Wallet. You can also do the same for the two, just in case they are sending to anyone. Now that's it. Let's continue with the second phase of the video now. So what we need to do now is that we need to add it to our OKX wallet. So to do that, you need to go to you need to search, go to X, and then search for Onchain. Right, you can see this is the official handle, the official X handle, just as you can see, Onchain. Right, so you are going to see the contract address of Onchain. So you're going to if you scroll down, you'll see this. Okay, just click on it, and if you go up, you're going to copy it. Okay, you click and copy, and then head over to your OKX wallet. Please, you can also use Trust Wallet, because they are partnering with Trust Wallet as well, but I'm using OKX wallet. Okay, so you go to your OKX wallet, and then you are going to just toggle this up a bit, toggle it up, and then you're going to see manage crypto. You click on manage crypto, and then you click on custom crypto. Click on custom crypto. You can see there's Bitcoin here, so you just change this Ethereum base, change it to Ethereum base, change that Ethereum to Ethereum base. When you scroll down, you're gonna see base. Okay, you're gonna see base. So you click on it, and then you paste the address, the contract address that you just copied. Sometimes the symbol might not appear, but you're just going to touch that place, and have you seen that it has appeared? Okay, on chain. So you click on confirm. So that way you have added it to your wallet, so that whenever they are going to do the distribution, you should be able to receive your own crypto. Right, the next thing you can see, look at it here. Okay, so the next thing you can do is to also bring it up to your home page. You can bring it up to your home page by searching for it here. Okay, on chain. That is, let me show you again. You can bring it to your, you click here and search for it. On chain. Look at it. and then you bring it up, so that but that way you have your own wallet. Okay, you can use it to receive. Now this is when you click here, you're gonna see this is your own personal wallet now, on-chain wallet address that you can use to maybe want to send to somebody to receive on-chain and all that. So having done that, please, we have about 14 days extension to still continue tapping, right? So we head over to our Telegram and let's check on the platform, and then see what we have there right now. As you can see, this is what I have just little, but I started late actually. So when you head over to boost, you're going to see what the task or the mission to be accomplished. I actually linked up my two uh, accounts, both Trust Wallet and OKS, but I want to believe they're going to put it in one. So that's just, I just did for you now for OKX. Okay, so whichever one you prefer, but I prefer you use this. Okay, so that's it. I think there was already a guide on how to do that, and please watch that and also do this one to ensure that you don't leave any stone unturned. So, or in order for you not to get confused, let me just complete it on Trust Wallet as well. So we'll just head over to my Trust Wallet right now, and then we'll repeat the same process. We do the same thing, but on Trust Wallet, this is where you're going to go. You go to this place, right, and then you click on add. You click on this plus sign. Okay, click on the plus sign, and then you click on this is Ethereum is already changed it to Ethereum base. By clicking that place, then you search for base. Okay, now you can see ETH base. You click on it, and then you then paste the address that we copied. This is the contract address. You can see it has appeared already on chain, on chain, on chain, on chain. Then we click on import. We click on import, right? So click on import, and voila, it's been imported. So it's here already. It's currently has no value, but then um, when you click here, this is the wallet address, your own personal wallet address that I can use to receive. Okay, now what you can do now is come over and then let's search for on chain now. Yeah, on chain, then it's turned on already. So when you go to your home page, it's already there. If you scroll down, this is the home page now. If you scroll down, it's among the tokens or coins that you have here already. So here is it. Here we have it. Now, one thing about the Onchain project is that it's going viral already. This is Trust Wallet, and trust me, it's already. If you go to Discovery, you see that the announcement is already here already. Look at it, 50,000 in on-chain airdrop, right? So if you click on it, go to your Trust Wallet, you're going to see this. Click on Discovery, and you see this. So definitely, this project may likely cook very well. So let's just try our best to accumulate as much or that we can accumulate while the time is still there. We still have about 13 to 14 days. Accomplish all the tasks and make sure you accumulate as much as you can within this extension period as given. So that's it. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching.